Improving your credit score significantly in just 30 days may be challenging, as it typically takes time to see substantial changes. However, here are some strategies you can implement to potentially boost your credit score within this time frame. Pay off outstanding balances. Focus on paying off any outstanding balances on your credit cards or loans. Lowering your credit utilization ratio can have a positive impact on your score. Correct errors on your credit report. Obtain a copy of your credit report and review it for any errors. Dispute inaccuracies with the credit bureaus to have them corrected promptly. Become an authorized user. If possible, become an authorized user on a family member or friend's credit card with a positive payment history. This can help improve your credit score by adding positive account information to your credit report. Request a credit limit increase. If you have a credit card with a low limit and a good payment history, consider requesting a credit limit increase. This can lower your credit utilization ratio and potentially boost your score. Set up payment reminders. Ensure timely payments by setting up reminders or automatic payments for your bills. Payment history is a significant factor in your credit score. Avoid opening new accounts. Avoid opening new credit accounts, as this can temporarily lower your score due to the hard inquiries involved.